Welcome to KA-FunToon. Life that's down together. Let's count together. Hey there kids, come join the fun. We'll count numbers one by one. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Counting numbers is a treat. 1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4, 5, 6, do a jumping twist. 7, 8, 9, we're feeling fine. Say it loud, 10 is next in line. Let's count again, it's so much fun. From number 1 to number 10. Let's count together. 1 little sun up in the sky. 2 red balloons floating by. 3 green frogs jump in the pond. 4 bright kites go wishing beyond. 5 gold stars that sparkle bright. 6 cute ducks waddle left and right. 7 apples on the tree. 8 buzzing bees fly happily. 1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4, 5, 6, do a jumping twist. 7, 8, 9, we're feeling fine. Say it loud, 10 is next in line. Let's count again, it's so much fun. From number 1 to number 10. Let's count together. 9 tiny toes and 10 small fingers. Counting fun that always lingers. Numbers dance and numbers play. Let's count together every day. 1 to 10, we did it right. Now we're smiling, what a sight. We love numbers, yes we do. And we'll count again with you. Let's count together.